Bayaw. I'm here to give an example in fluid mechanics from Chapter 4, Relative Equilibrium of Liquids. A vessel is filled with water and is accelerated upward direction at 10 meter per squared second. The vessel is 3 meter wide and 2.5 in height, and the depth of the liquid is 1.5 meter. Calculate the pressure at the bottom while the vessel is accelerated. So this is the figure. The equation to find the pressure is P is equal to the specific weight times height times 1 plus acceleration over gravity. So substitute. So P is equal to 9.81 kilonewton over cubic meter, which is the constant specific weight of water, times the 1.5 meter, which is the height, which is the depth of the liquid, so 1.5 meter, times, copy the 1 plus 10 meter over squared second, which is the acceleration, over 9.81 meter per second squared, which is the constant, which is the gravity. So, simplify. Our pressure is equal to 29.72 kilopascal.